2025 is a year full of opportunities and challenges. Leadtek in order to inspire employees in the new year. Have higher work efficiency and fighting spirit to maximize the company's performance at each stage. The personnel department organized a team trip for all employees, 2 days and 1 night tour of Zengcheng. Colleagues teamed up and tackled the rapids together in an exciting rafting challenge, testing trust, coordination, and teamwork. Laughter and adrenaline brought us even closer. Next up, an unforgettable wild cooking session. From preparing ingredients to cooking over open flames, every team member took part. This hands-on experience reminded us that collaboration is key, even in the wild. Teams ventured into rugged terrain on an off-road expedition, navigating challenges together and building resilience through every twist and turn. Walking through the orchard, we enjoyed the simple pleasures of summer, sharing fruit, stories, and laughter along the way. Throughout the trip, we celebrated not just the moment, but our team. Together, we work smarter, grow stronger, and move faster toward our shared goals.